Huh? Where's Spooky? Hey, Mocha. Spooky! Come back. Where'd Spooky go? Hey, you. Oh. Oh. What? What? Let's hear your purr. And hear it. Spookster! Come on, Spooky! Spooky! Where'd he go? Where's the Spooky? Come on, Spooky! 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 Where'd he go that fast? Hi, Mocha. Hi, pretty girl. Come on, Spooky. We're over here. Come on. Come on, Spooky. There he is. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, little guy. Come on, you old guy. There you go. Okay, Callie, take care of Spooky. Get your nose out of her poozits. Spooky's old, but he still has his nose up the girl's poozits. Stop it! God. Jeez. You're old. You're on your last leg. What's the matter with you, boy? Such a man, huh? You skinny old guy. Go take it. Go love on Spooky. Come on. Spookster. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Hello, buddy. Hello. Skeeters. Mosquitoes are bad. There you go. There you go, Callie. Give him kisses. You gonna drink that last drop in that thing? Just cleaning that out. I'm gonna make a sink out of it for my trailer. I'm gonna make a trailer and you guys are gonna go with me. Yep. We're gonna leave here in the winter. We're gonna go out in the desert where life is warm. To hell with this snow pack. Mountain shit. Beautiful in the summer, but it sucks in the winter. Hi, Spooky. Hey. Spooky. You still have a pretty face. You pretty boy. Mocha. She just woke up. Sleepy girl. Callie. Any cat that gets in our yard, she just like loves on them and welcomes them. That's why we have the compound all locked up. This is my feral mother. She's not feral anymore. I've had her since 2011. I've had her 7 years. She's a couch potato, house kitty, but she still loves her feral kitties outside. This is her daughter, Ginger. Hey, you, Ginger. Say hello. Ginger and Mocha are her daughters. Her son died 4 years ago from something This is one of the best cats in the world right here. This is one hell of a cat. One hell of a cat. We are in the tunnel house full of mosquitoes. And the sun is just setting over there. I use everything to keep animals out. I'm using little flats because I ran out of deer netting. The best thing is deer netting, but I don't have enough. And the plastic is making it, it's starting to get hot here. There's seedlings under here. I'm keeping the humidity up because it gets really hot in here during the day. As soon as they get bigger, take the plastic off. And then there is reed fencing. I don't use it for fencing, I use it for roofing. And it lets in just enough sun. Otherwise it's way too hot. And then this greenhouse, I just what is it in here? It is almost 60.5 degrees, or 61 degrees. It's almost dusk on May 29th, and I just transplanted this tomato that I grew from seed. Hate to leave them out here because we're still in the 40s at night. But tonight it's supposed to be 50, according to the weather station, but it's probably more like 47, 46. So I got 3 tomato plants transplanted that I have grown from seed, and they're my babies. These are just a bunch of lilies. They were all in a pot, and then they went dormant, and I didn't know what was in there, and I went to dump the soil over here last fall because I just thought it was a pot full of soil from an annual, but it's you know, I thought I got most of them, but there's some more coming up, and I want to use this for peppers and stuff. This is this greenhouse made it through the winter. Amazing. The tunnel house collapsed in, I don't know, I think it was November or December. You know, I just kept it up, and then there was like 4 inches of snow and it crushed it. This one here, I was down in Arizona for the RTR in Quartzsite in January, and when I came back it got crushed. So this year it doesn't have plastic on it because I'm growing cool weather crops, and these are all like cabbages, you know, like kales and stuff, and onions. Radishes, that kind of stuff, and they're over there and stuff. Carrots and that. Last year's carrots. Anyway, it only has shade cloth. The rain can get through, but it doesn't get real hot. And irises are just starting to bloom. Mustard colored irises. And strawberries are just starting to bloom. It's close to 5,000 feet in elevation here, so it's still pretty cool. And underneath here, mini greenhouses everywhere. There's cantaloupe, which our season really isn't long enough to grow a cantaloupe, but I always try. In here are pole beans. Because they grow tall and the sun sets over my house roof here. And here is cucumbers. It just came up today. I planted them 7 days ago. The cucumbers, it was cold. We had thunderstorms and rain and hail and cold temperatures. When I planted them, just like as that happened, so that they could absorb the moisture. And then I knew the heat was coming after it. Today was 80, yesterday was 80. You gotta really have it right here. If you plant when it's too cold, the seeds rot. If you plant when it's too hot, they won't germinate. Oh, God, mountain gardening is... Anybody that doesn't knows what a pain it is. These ones, I think these, I planted these like a day later. Anyway, that's where the cucumbers are. They're up on a bench so that they can, and this is all plastic and deer netting, so it stays humid under here. There's very low humidity up here, which kills everything. There's a rake on the roof because the winds come up in the afternoon and the plastic whips and blows all around. I have to, like, there's a rake there. I get a couple of 1x2s, 8-foot 1x2s holding it down. And over here, oh God, I got like an oar, an old wooden oar. I know, but it's all calm now. It only comes, the wind comes up for like only a short time, like 15-20 minutes, but it's like violent. Now there's nothing. Anyway, that's my roof. My Christmas lights, which I'm about ready to turn on. And that's that. Goodbye.